Right, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create the template for a box using a website called Boxmaker and then convert that to a DXF file ready for laser cutting. Right, first thing you need to do is open a Google Chrome window. Then you need to go to the website www.boxmaker.connectionlab. No, it's already up there, but just so you can see, connectionlab, all one word, .org, not .com, .org. Hit enter, that'll bring you to the website here. Right, we've got three main parts of this process. The first one is the units, which is the measurement units we're going to use. We don't use inches, we either use millimeters or centimeters. I'm going to use millimeters because that's what I prefer. Then we need to put dimensions in. Now these are the dimensions of the box you're creating. The first one here is the width of your box, so how wide it is. The next one is the depth, how deep your box is, and the next one is height, how tall your box is going to be. So in millimeters, I'm going to make my box 70 millimeters wide, and I'm going to make it 70 millimeters deep, and I'm going to make it 150 millimeters tall. Now the material thickness is really important. If you don't get this correct, or you don't change it from what it is at the moment, the notches that your box will be made with and how it fits together won't be in the correct ratio for the thickness of the material. So we're going to use 3mm MDF. So as we're working in millimeters, I'm just going to put 3 in this box here, and that's the thickness of the material we're using. Now you need to click Design It, and that will bring up your PDF file of the box that you've created. If you click the upside down triangle just on the side here and then Show in Folder, that'll bring up this window here, which will have your PDF file of your box net, as you can see here. Next, you need to right click on the file and then go down to Rename, and then you need to rename it whatever you like. It might be with your name or whatever the project is you're doing. I'm just going to make mine Boxmaker Test, just to be easy. Enter. Now I need to drag this over to the desktop. I do this just because it's easier to find, again, if you need to, on the desktop rather than searching through all the downloads. So with your mouse, you need to click the file and hold the button down and drag it over to desktop, and then copy that over there. Oh, looks like I've already got one there, so I'm just going to replace that. That won't come up for yours. You just need to drag it over. Right, next thing you need to do is go down to the Start menu, and we're going to open up a program to convert that PDF file to a DXF. So on the Start menu, you need to search for this program here, Aid PDF to DWG Converter. Once you click and open that, it will open up your conversion program. Now I need to put the PDF file in here by clicking Add PDF Files, and then look on the desktop. If your computer doesn't automatically open the desktop, you just need to click this little drop down box here, that triangle, and then choose your desktop from that menu. Now here's my box. Hopefully you'll find your box there too. Then open that. Now I need to check that the DXF option has been selected, and also this little option down here, which is Output to Source Folder. What that means is it's going to put the DXF file, once it's converted, back onto the desktop, which is where we got that PDF file from. Once I'm happy with that, I click Convert. That's going to, once that's converted, bring up another window, which will allow you to see both of your different files. So here it is here. I can see that this is the PDF file that I have of the original, and then this is the converted file as a DXF. You can see LaserWorks V5, this program which we'll be using with the laser cutter, you can see the same logo there. So that tells me that it's all the correct file. Okay, so the next video I'm going to do for you, and which you'll be looking at soon, is how to get this file, the DXF file, into LaserWorks V5, and then how to play around with it in there to make your box come to life. All good. Good luck.